almost never knew why they called it like they do. I've been wondering since the age of 2, down on Copper Line. Copper head, copper feet, copper kettle sitting side by each, copper coil, copper Georgia peach, down on Copper Line. Half a mile down to Morgan Creek, leaning heavy on the end of the wheel, Pekingese and hognose snake, down on Copper Line. We were down on Copper Line. One summer night on Copper Line, we slipped away past supper time. Wood smoke and moonshine, down on Copper Line. One time I saw my daddy dance. He moved around like a man in a trance. He brought it home from the war in France, down on the Copper Line. French water and tomato wine, creosote and turpentine, sour mash and a new moonshine, down on Copper Line. We were down on Copper Line. First kiss ever I took was like a page from a romance book. The sky opened and the earth shook, down on Copper Line, down on Copper Line. I took a fall from a windy height. I only knew how to hold on tight. Pray for love enough to last all night, down on Copper Line. Day breaks and the boy wakes, dog barks and the sap rises, the birds sing and the angels sigh. Yeah, I try to go back as if I could, all spec house and plywood, tore up, down on Copper Line. It doesn't come as a surprise to me. It don't affect my memories. I'm lifting up and rising free, down over Copper Line. Half a mile down to Morgan Creek, I'm only living for the end of the week.